my baby. Got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, you are most definitely welcome. You know the deal, you know how we roll. Please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit your notification bell. Like seriously guys, you guys need to subscribe because I put a lot of effort to come with clean video like this. Please show me some love, by hitting the subscribe button and also turn your notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. Because some of you told me that you don't get my video when I upload. Please turn your notification bell, so with that you'll be notified, because when you don't turn it on, it's not going to be notified. Like seriously, I need to get views on my channel because I want this channel to grow. Watch my video, you like it, please give it a thumbs up and also share this video, so with that I can have more views. With that being said, as sometimes when I make a video there is no views, it's like I'm just wasting my time, but I enjoy doing video guys for you guys, because there are a lot of people still struggling with how to do their makeup. That is why I'm on this channel, not just to show myself for nothing. Please you guys, you show me some love, subscribe, share my video, let your friends, let your mom know that there is somebody like me who can do makeup as well. I'm coming up to you with makeup tutorials, as you can tell, because lately I've been doing super glamorous, very shimmer eyeshadow, so I decided to do matte eyeshadow with a matte lip. And guys, I'm really feeling right now, I'm inspired by my top and by my hair. So yeah, as you can tell, favorite lip color is dark lip. Okay, I love dark lip color, so that is why I decided to come up with this. And the makeup I use, the palette I used to achieve this makeup look, just one palette, is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I really love this palette. This is not the first time using the palette, but this palette is just something that you can always go to. You can always pick out something from this palette, so that is why I use this palette. Then for my lipstick, I use this I use the MAC liquid lipstick, so everything I use is going to be listed in the description box. As always, this video I'm not talking because I have a lot going on at the background, so I didn't want the noise to be disturbing. That is why I just decided not to talk through. But don't worry, my next video we are going to be chatting as always, because I enjoying chatting. Anyway guys, if you're interested, you want to see how I put this look together, this look you can rock it holiday, you can rock it anytime, okay? But this look is kind of autumn winter vibe, okay? But trust me guys, you can rock any look you want, you don't have to wait for season to come, okay? So yeah, without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I put this look together, you already know what to do. No long talking. As always, don't forget to do you, stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, love, ciao. Mwah. Hey guys, as you can tell, your girl did her brow off camera because I have a brow link down below. I'm just going to go ahead and prime my lid and use the Urban Decay primer portion. This one is called Eden. You guys have seen me use this a million times, and using the Real Technique Real Technique brush, just to use that to apply that all over my eye. You can always go ahead and set it, but I'm not setting it. As you guys know, I don't normally set my eyeshadow base, so I'm just going to go in with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm taking the shade called Orange Soda, and I'm using this flash shading brush by Sephora Brush Collection, the one I used on my previous video. I decided to give it a try again. I'm basically using that Orange Soda just to set my eye, but I'm not setting, like I just said, I'm applying it all over because that is going to be my lid color as well. And I'm taking a smaller round pointed brush by Sephora Collection, and I'm taking the shade called Dusty Rose, and I'm applying that very gently into my crease, and at the same time blend it to my inner corner. And the next shade I'm going to take is taking Rustic. It's a bit of kind of light brown shade tone, okay? So I'm just going to blow that to my crease as well and blend. And taking a BH Cosmetic blending brush, I'm just going to take that shade called Dusty Rose. I'm just going to blend the ashes, not the ashes, the edges. What am I even saying? Blend the edges out, and I'm taking that orange soda, and I'm going to use that as my brow bone highlight because we are going for a matte look. So now we are done with the eyeshadow. I'm just going to take this Sephora brush collection angle brush, which is an eyeliner brush. I'm taking my all-time favorite Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner. You guys know I live for this liner, okay? And I'm taking the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm just going to prepare my lashes for false lashes, okay? And as you guys can see, I'm dipping my brush into that shade called Rustic because I wasn't feeling the vibe of the smokiness. I just wanted to be smoky a little bit. And I'm taking my lashes, pop it on. You guys know I love these lashes by Amazon. Guys, I'm really sorry because someone asked me what is the name of the lashes. I can't really remember, but don't worry, I'm going to put in the description box, okay? As you can tell, the lashes just blow at this look. Trust me guys, I love this look. So moving to my face, I'm going to be taking the Givenchy Mr. Matte Mystifying Foundation Primer. I'm just going to rub that all over my face with my hands, okay? Make sure your hands are clean. And taking the Sacha Buttercup and taking this MAC 116 brush, I'm just going to buff that all over my face. If you have oily skin, you know the deal, you know the struggle, okay, to get a matte face. And to foundation, I'm taking Milani Plus Concealer Foundation and taking also the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation in Chestnut Milani, and in Smashbox is number 42 in number 4.2, okay? I'm just going to use my damn beauty blender just to blend that all over my face. You guys know I love my beauty blender a lot. It just make my life seamlessly. So now I'm going to set my foundation. Before I go to highlight, I'm going to be taking the MAC Mirror Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm just going to blow that all over my face, okay? So for highlight, I'm taking the Elegant concealer, and to highlight under my eye, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bone forehead, I'm going to be taking Warm Sand, and to contour, I'm going to be using Beautiful Bronze. Guys, seriously, I have a lot of concealer, but you can never go wrong with this Elegant concealer. It's just everything. I've not used it for quite some time now, but I decided to use it today because it's a very beautiful concealer which you can do without, okay? I love cream contour lately, but guys, I always be careful when it comes to cream contour, and I'm using my Real Technique sponge, using the flat side just to blend out the contour cream, the cream contour cream, anyways what you call it. Guys, always use Real Technique sponge or sponge. Very clean and damp is very good. It's going to make your makeup look very, as you can tell, your girl is a bit too much sometimes, but anyway, I'm being extra. I love to dance, I love to hear my music, okay? So yeah, that is what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm singing hallelujah. Anyway guys, yeah, I'm just blending all my highlight together, blending my life together, my nose, under my eye, okay? I'm gonna look snatched, okay?
So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride.
So to set the place I highlighted, I'm going to be using once again the Sacha Buttercup and using the same Real Technique sponge just to use that to apply the Sacha Buttercup all over the place I highlighted, okay? And of course, I'm going to be doing a very sharp contour. I'm going to be cutting my cheekbone just going to bronze using the CoverGirl Queen Ebony bronze. Okay, and yeah, ebony in the shade ebony. And I'm using the Sephora contour brush. The brush is also doing the job. Using the smaller brush, the one I used for my crease earlier on, used to snatch my nose. Okay, and using this L'Oreal lip pencil in peach, I'm just going to blow that on my waterline because I didn't want something dark today. I just want something very lively and feel alive. And taking that shade called Rustic, using this brush by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to use that to blow that color on my lower lash line. And of course, I'm going to be removing the excess powder because I don't need it anymore. I'm using the same brush, MAC 116 brush, and using my Mirror Light Skin Finish. You guys know lately I've been using powder to set my brow, no longer brow gel. So I'm just using the Sacha Buttercup and using the Sephora brush to do that spoolie. So for blush, I'm going to be taking this blush by MAC. This is my autumn / winter blush, and I'm taking this brush by Sephora, and the name of the blush is called Raizin. So I'm going to be taking this MAC fix matte. I'm just going to spray that all over my face. So for my bottom lashes, I'm using the same Benefits roller lash, okay, mascara. And for highlight, I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills illuminator. I'm just going to use my Bobbi Brown eye blender. So I'm just going to highlight those places that need to be glowing, girl, glow. And I'm using a smaller brush. This one is by Louis Cosmetics, a smaller brush. I'm just going to blow that on my inner corner. And for lips, I'm going to be taking this MAC liquid lip color, and the name is called High Drama. As you can tell, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just feeling myself right now. I'm going to be popping on my wig. I'm going to be right back to show you the finished drama. Guys, I live for this look, trust me. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care, love, ciao. Mwah.
You around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you